Hello and good evening. We are here at Excon 2023. Let's start this conversation with sir with a brief interview of the sir.
Okay. So actually, my father started the company 25 years ago, more than 25 years ago, and my name is Tej Bhadbhade. I was working in the US earlier and decided to come back in 2018 and join family business. So I've been working with Aquarius ever since, and it's been the best time of my life. So. We talk about Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India, and Aquarius is one company who has been there from the start in the concrete industry. We have a very strong line of products, and we are one of the very few Indian companies who is making concrete boom pumps. This is one of the niche products in the concrete industry, and there are very few people in India who are actually engineering and producing in India. So in this Excon we have launched two new boom pumps. This is our flagship product, which is the 40Z. It's a 5-arm truck-mounted concrete boom pump, and it is packed with features which are top of the line. So that has always been our commitment to our customers. We have to give relevant products to the concrete industry, and we have to give products in such a way that the top of the line technology is a part of the product. So if you see our product, we have given a diagnostic display along with it. This is a very lightweight machine with 5 arms, so it has a very flexible way and orientation possible for ease of operation. It is packed with operator safety and machine safety features. For example, grill safety is a common standard feature. It is a closed loop system with an accumulator which gives a very high performance. You can operate it in a very tight space because of our Exceed system, which is a one-side support system, and we are giving IoT as a service. So all the parameters which you see on the screen are also available on the customer's palm of the customer's hand. So we are in a data age, and we are there to support the customer for their requirements.
Okay.
Additionally, we have launched a new batching plant as well, which we call the X series. The focus for us for all the new products which we have launched is basically emissions, operator safety, and machine safety. So even in this plant, the focus has been on metro cities like Mumbai, and where you have very tight space. So this is for this series, so 60 and 75 output series. This is one of the most compact plants available in the market. That is the intention which we have launched it, and it is designed in such a way that it gives a very flexible orientation to the customer, and it provides very tight emission controls.
Okay, yes, sir. Handling these kinds of huge machines, so safety is also the important part of it.
Correct.
So how you are working on safety measures?
So I'll just give you a simple example. I mean, our team has worked on very small features apart from the bigger ones in order to ensure operator safety. So you can see a flashing indicator over there. Imagine you're working on the road and this machine has outriggers out. The operator is standing here. So simple things like having a by default lighting system on the machine itself gives a safety to the operator. Okay. We have introduced a new radio remote which has a screen on it. Okay. So operator is aware of whatever is happening on the machine right from the place where he is working. He doesn't need to stand next to the machine. See, we have like I was telling you, with the operator in mind, we have given a diagnostic display panel on the machine. So that is a bird's eye view for the operator to know what is going on with the machine, and that also contributes to the operator safety. When you have a system like an Exceed system, which is a one-side support system, it allows the operator to use the machine in a very safe manner so that there are no accidents. Okay, and for this we have used a multitude of sensors across the machine and interlocks which allow a safe operation of the machine.
Okay, coming back to the Excon 2023, what will be your biggest takeaway from it?
I think this is a very good platform for companies like us to show top of the line equipment, not just to customers in India but also from international countries. And that has always been the case. So we are very happy to be here. And I look forward to meeting a lot of customers.
And wrapping up this conversation, would you like to send any message to your customers?
Yeah, I mean, Aquarius always will focus in the years to come, and we have always focused in the years before as well on having the right technology, the right machines, the right quality, and the right support. So that is our commitment to our customer, and we'll continue to do so.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.